Hello everyone, my name is Marvidiako and you're welcome to my statistics presentation. I'm presenting on public affairs and its effect on politics and campaign rallies. Firstly, my data set was Afrobarometer. Afrobarometer is a constitution that is responsible for making surveys about the economy, politics, household factors, and many others. My main focus of the Afrobarometer was to find out the political issues, campaign rallies, elections, and public affairs that affect our community. Politics in general have an impact on our society. Thus, there are measures taken during an election. My main focus was my country, Ghana, because I wanted to find out more information about our political issues. Moving on, I'm going to talk about my association questions. The first one is there an association between how people are interested in public affairs and the thoughts and discussion about political matters? And the second association question is there an association between campaign rallies and political elections? In my research, there were various methods put in place. The sample data used for my research was produced by Afrobarometer, and about 36 countries were represented from the year 2015 to 2017. The measures that I put in place was to do a thorough research about my whole research. So basically, I asked why people do or do not discuss public affairs, and reasons why political elections are very important and depend on many other researches. Moving on, I made bivariate graphs, which is a bar plot that represents the interest people have in public affairs and their association with discussing politics. I also produced a second bivariate graph for my second association question, and this is a bar plot showing the association between the campaign rally and political elections. I also produced a second bivariate graph for my second association question, and this is a bar plot showing the association between the campaign rally and political elections. So in conducting my research, I gained results. Firstly, is there an association between how interested people are in public affairs and how often they discuss political matters? In here, the p-value was greater than 0.05, where we reject the null hypothesis, but there is an association between these two. Secondly, is there an association between campaign rally and political elections? In here too, the p-value is greater than 0.05, thus we reject the null hypothesis. In general, my data retrieved also helped me support the fact that there is an association between these two. Finally, in discussion and conclusion, the study showed that public affairs are very important and majority are involved for a reason. It serves as a good information source which helps individuals know what to do when it comes to politics, election, and voting. Also, political elections depend mostly on campaign rallies because people get to decide on which political party to support during the elections when rallies are ongoing. And all this serves as an importance to my research. Thank you.